Are you tired of buying expensive hand creams and body creams? Or perhaps you have a skin allergy and you don't like to have too many chemicals in your body creams? Well, I've got just the answer for you. I'm going to teach you how to make your own body cream just using two ingredients. The first ingredient is going to be aqueous cream, which you normally find in a 500 ml container at your pharmaceutical store. Um, it's got very few harmful ingredients because it's mostly used for babies. Today I'm going to be using avocado oil with my aqueous cream, but you could just as easily use olive oil or you could use coconut oil. So for easy mixing, I have put it into a bowl. And for my 500 mils, I've got about 150 mils of the oil that I'm going to use with it. So today mine is avocado oil. Avocado oil being fabulous for the skin. As we know, avocados are just marvelous all round for health. To begin with, you'll notice that your mixture is a little bit like a thin sort of egg white, but as you start to mix the oil in, it's obviously going to become a little bit more substantial. So you could do this in batches, or if you've got a food processor, you could just pop it in with a mixing blade and do that quite easily. But it's easy enough to do in a little bowl on its own. And you'll find that this, once you've actually started to apply it onto your skin, it's not oily or greasy at all. It lasts really nicely, and you can just pop it into a very nice jar with an easy to screw on and off lid so that you can get to it nice and accessibly. Very nice if you've got people with skin problems. So once you've put the oil into the aqueous base, you want to start mixing it up so that it actually starts to look a lot thicker, more like making mayonnaise. And at this stage, you'll see that it's actually combining really nicely and easily. And it actually even feels heavier as you're moving it around with a spoon. And if you would prefer to add some essential oils or even maybe a little dash of color, you could use a little bit of food coloring or baker's color to add some color, but your essential oils would be what would be the fragrance that you could use. Be very careful with essential oils if you're pregnant. I wouldn't advise using it. Rather keep your products fairly neutral. And if you have any pre-existing medical conditions, then also be careful. Essential oils don't always go with medical conditions. Some have reactions. So all that remains now is for you to take your cream and decant it into a nice jar, preferably one that's got an open neck so that it's easy just to take it off, and then you can use it on your skin. It's lovely and smooth and absorbs into your skin really nicely and easily, and it doesn't leave your skin greasy, and it doesn't leave your skin feeling dry afterwards. So